Hello everyone, welcome back to my other new video. So dear friends, today I have come here to visit a big vegetable garden. Basically today I will show you different types of vegetable in this video. So dear friends, as you can see, this is a pointed goat stage. As you can see, this is one of my grandfather's vegetable field. As you can see, there are different types of vegetable over here. So right now I will show you a big jute leaf fields. As you can see, this is a jute leaf fields. As you can see in this side, there are so many jute plants over here. So actually I have come here to visit this place. Actually this is my duty. I always try to visit these types of agricultural field because I'm a pesticide shop worker. That's why I always try to visit these types of vegetable field every day. And as you can see over there is a pond, and you can see there are so many banana plants over there, and I would like to show you different types of vegetable over here. And you can see over there are so many vegetable. I would like to show you some vegetable over here. So as you can see, there are so many vegetable in this side. This is a bottle gourd plants over here. I'd like to show you some little bottle gourd. Look over here, this is a new birds of bottle gourd, as you can see, and this is a bottle gourd plants. And you can see there are so many bottle gourd birds over here. This is a little bottle gourd birds. Actually bottle gourd মানে হচ্ছে লম্বা ধরনের কদু. And you can see this is a water pot. As you can see, the pot is made of mud, as you can see. And you can see there are so many pointed gourd plants in this stage, as you can see. And you can see this is my grandfather's house. Look in front of me, this is a very big vegetable garden, as you can see. And I'd like to show you the condition of this vegetable field. As you can see, there are so many goat plants over here, and you can see the condition of these goat plants. So basically I have come here to visit this place, and I'm trying to show you the condition of this place. Actually I love to make English video, and I love to record these types of agricultural video, and that's why I'm trying to show you this vegetable garden. So dear friend, as you can see, this side there are so many green amaranth plants over here. As you can see, this is a green amaranth plant. This is a green amaranth field, and I'd like to show you some green amaranth plants over here. As you can see, this is a green amaranth field, and now I'm standing in the green amaranth field. As you can see, আসলে green amaranth মানে হচ্ছে ডাটা শাক বা সবুজ শাক, আমরা যেটা আঞ্চলিক ভাষায় বলি খুড়া শাক, এটাকে আমরা গ্রিন amaranth ইংলিশে বলতে পারি. And I'd like to show you some brinjal plants over here. This is a brinjal field. As you can see, this is a brinjal field. As you can see, brinjal মানে হচ্ছে বেগুন, and you can call it eggplants. Look over here, and you can see over there is a arum field. So actually this is also my grandfather's vegetable field. Actually my grandfather is a farmer, and that's why he implants different types of vegetable in his field. So dear friends, no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope all are enjoy this video. So thank you.